Yeah, hi everyone. So today I'm going to start a video about how to use the function apps. So you know that there are function apps in Azure, Microsoft Azure. So how you can use the Azure function app? So I have created one function app that is based on the QueueTrigger. So if you see that I have created one function app here, easy wire scan. So I will explain later on that one. But for now, if I go through this one, so that there is one function app, and we have queue trigger here, and I have created one queue virus can request queue, right? So whenever any message from the queue is there, so it will trigger automatically. So that is the behavior for this one, right? So let me show you how I can trigger this one. So I have created one console app here. Right, from the console app, I have given the queue name. Also, I have given the connection string here, and in the message, I am sending one below file ID here. Right. So when I am sending the below file ID, serializing the JSON string, then adding the queue message. Right. For the queue message, we are adding the container name and the dynamic model here, and then I'm adding the message async. Right. So whenever I send this one, it will automatically like add the message to the queue, and it will trigger basically this API, the function app, this one virus request queue. So if you check this one, let me show you the connection string here, and then you can understand how it will look like. So under the dev model, you will see that this is the connection string here. Okay, yeah, this one. So let me show you the connection string. So this is the connection string here. And so this is the wire scan request queue. So the first queue you will get the message here. Right. Let me run this function app, and you will see how it will trigger and how will you see the message queue here. Then we'll discuss the another other things later. Right. Let me run this wire scan function app. So if there is any message in the queue, then you will see that how it will trigger the function app from here. Okay, so the build is successful. Let me see if that is working or not. Okay, so that is running here. So you will see the message that this queue is triggering here. So we can see at this point. Also, let me do one thing also. So here you can see the Azure function core tools are running. It founds the virus scan project details, configurations, and it will also display all the triggers for the queue itself. So we are waiting the trigger points. So we can see that we have three queue triggers: virus scan queue, request queue, and send the result queue. Right. So this is waiting for the queue. Let me trigger the queue from the console app, and we'll see if how it will work in that case. So let me run the app. Okay, so console app is running for now. So let me show you how it will like I have the queue name and the connection string here. Right, if queue name is not there, and so it will create the connection string, create the queue on the basis of the connection string. If that is not there, right, and it will return the container. So we have the container now. We have added this message, and I am adding the queue now. So you will see that we have got this trigger, right? So and this is coming from our console app. So you can see 881D, and I'm sending from here from the console. So let me show you what I have added. So this is 881D, right? So this is the behavior of the queue trigger. You can trigger the queue from any of the APIs, and that will pass to the queue, and queue will work in the background. So you can have the queue, and later on you can read these messages and you can process separately. So you can say that this is the independent functions which will work separately in the background. So guys, this is the behavior what I can show you. So in the next video we'll discuss in the detail that how we can create the queues, how we can use other things also. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.